McLauchlin Wellness Clinic, your first step to better.
Hello, this is Dr. Cole at McLauchlin Wellness Clinic. So I've been seeing a lot of patients coming in lately with shoulder injuries. So a lot of the injuries that happen in the shoulder are what you may have heard of rotator cuff injuries. So a rotator cuff is made up of 4 muscles. I won't go into them because they have some fancy names. But basically the 4 muscles in your shoulder are usually most commonly injured with any kind of overhead or at shoulder height type activities. So I just wanted to kind of quickly go over some of the options we have here in the McLauchlin Wellness Clinic to treat these conditions. Now, everyone's shoulder injury might be a little bit different than someone else's, so I just want to kind of go through some of the options that we have, and depending on your injury, different ones will be better for your particular case. So the first ones we're going to talk about here is we have the ultrasound. So the ultrasound uses sound waves to help break up the tissue and enhance healing by getting more blood flow to that area. So that's one of our most common options. The second is using these pads here, and the treatment's called interferential current. If you've been a patient here before, you may have gotten this in the past. Very effective for shoulder injuries, and uses current to help relax the muscles, start to kind of engage the healing process, as well as just kind of control some of the pain. On top of that, after treatment, sometimes the chiropractor may put on kinesiology tape. The tape we use is rock tape, and we use a different pattern on the shoulder. And you can see here there's some tape on the shoulder for this particular individual here on the box. But for shoulders, there may be different tapings particular to your injury, so please ask about that. Other option that we've had a lot of success with here at the clinic is the K laser. It's a class 4 low-level laser therapy, and we've been having a lot of success with all types of shoulder injuries, and it treats all back, neck, and again, shoulder's been a big one for us. Other option we have too, which we've had a lot of success with as well, and I personally use a lot, is acupuncture. So some people have some chronic shoulder injuries. They've tried a lot of different treatments. They're not seeing success with them. This is something I try to go to next. And also we use a little bit of current too to kind of be specific and try to engage the particular muscles that are in that rotator cuff to help them heal. The last one that we'll do as well, leave you go home with, I find you always want to give someone some rehab exercises. So bands are really good for rotator cuffs and all shoulder injuries to help strengthen them, because when you start feeling better, sometimes you can kind of go backwards, going back to work or back to activities again, and they get tired and weak, and then the injury comes back. So we want to strengthen up those muscles to prevent the injury from happening again. And these are some of the main options we have here at the clinic. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, you have a loved one with a shoulder injury, please have them give us a call at the McLauchlin's Clinic, phone number 519-676-3311. Thank you.
McLauchlin Wellness Clinic, your first step to better health.
Whether it's neck, back, or other body pain, don't let illness or injury get in the way of living your best life. Discover the difference at McLauchlin Wellness Clinic. Many treatment options in one location means the McLauchlin team of specialists work together to find you the best solution.
The right place, the right